Alright, hey everyone, my name is Mukul and welcome back to the LangChain by Project series, proudly brought to you by NIIT. Today we are building an AI Helpdesk, a practical end-to-end assistant that can do four things really well. It can chat with you like a regular AI assistant, it can read and understand PDFs and answer questions from them. Also, it can generate clean, beginner-friendly summaries of any document you upload, and it can extract the key insights, the important points, in simple bullet form. All of this runs fully locally on your machine using LangChain, Llama 3 through Ollama, and Streamlit for the interface. No cloud calls, no API keys, everything stays on your laptop. Before we dive into the code, let me show you what the final app looks like. On the screen, you'll see a clean interface with four modes you can switch between: General Chat, PDF Question and Answer, PDF Summary, and Key Insights. If you choose General Chat, you simply type your question, click Run, and the model gives you a clear conversational response. If you switch to PDF Q&A, the interface changes. You upload a PDF, type your question, and the system answers using the content inside the document. It also starts the answer with a short 2 to 3 line summary pulled directly from the PDF. Next, we have PDF Summary. For this, you simply upload a document, click Run, and the system gives you a 4 to 5 line summary written in very simple language, perfect for quick understanding. And finally, Key Insights gives you the top 5 to 7 bullet points from the PDF. This is super helpful when you want a quick breakdown of a job description, a report, a textbook chapter, or any long document. So that's what the help desk does. Now let's look at how it works under the hood. So at the very top of the file, we import the things we need. We bring in Streamlit because that's what we're using for the interface. Then we import PDF Reader from PyPDF. That's how we extract text from PDF files. Next, we bring in Chat Ollama, which is the LangChain wrapper that talks to our local Llama model inside Ollama. And finally, we import two LangChain utilities, one for building prompts and one for turning the model's response into plain text. That's it for the imports, very lightweight. Right after that, we define the model we want to use. We set a variable to the label Llama 3.1. This is important. This model name must exist inside your Ollama installation. Then we create our LLM object using Chat Ollama. We pass in the model name and we set the temperature to 0.4. That gives us stable, clean answers without the model drifting too far creatively. So at this point, the model is ready. Now we build the four features of the app. Each one is powered by its own LangChain prompt. 1. General Chat. We create a prompt that tells the AI, "You are a helpful assistant. Keep your answers short, clear, and easy." And then we connect that prompt to the model. That gives us the general chat chain. 2. PDF Question and Answer. This one is a little more detailed. We tell the AI, use the PDF to answer questions. If possible, only rely on the PDF text, and start your answer with a short summary of what the PDF says about the question. And in the user message, we pass two things: the PDF text and the user's question. This becomes the PDF Q&A chain. 3. PDF Summary. For the summary mode, we give the AI one instruction: summarize this PDF in 4 to 5 simple lines. We pass in the whole PDF text, and that's all it needs. That becomes the summary chain. 4. Key Insights. For this one, the system message says, give me the top 5 to 7 key insights from this document in crisp bullet points. Again, we pass in the PDF text and the model returns the bullet list. So these four chains together power the four features of our help desk. Next, we write a helper function to read the PDF. This function takes the uploaded file, opens it using PDF Reader, and loops through the first few pages. From each page, it extracts text and puts it into a list. At the end, it joins all the pages together into one big chunk of text and returns it. This text is what we pass into the summary, Q&A, and key insights chains. Now let's walk through the Streamlit part, the front end of the app. We set the page title and the little emoji icon. Then we display a heading that says EP12 AI Helpdesk and a short description of what the app does. Then we have a radio button where the user chooses the mode. The options are General Chat, PDF Question and Answer, PDF Summary, and PDF Key Points. Depending on which mode the user picks, we show the right inputs. If it's chat or PDF Q&A, we show a text box for the question. If it's anything related to PDFs, we show the PDF uploader. When the user uploads a PDF, we immediately extract the text and show a message telling them the PDF was loaded successfully. If the extraction fails, we warn them. Then we have the main Run button. When the user clicks it, we check the mode and run the correct chain. If the mode is chat, we check if the user typed a question. If yes, we call the chat chain and display the answer. If the mode is PDF Q&A, we check if a PDF is uploaded and if a question is entered. If both exist, we call the PDF Q&A chain and show the result. If the mode is summary, we check for the PDF and then run the summary chain. If the mode is key points, we check for the PDF and run the key insights chain. In all cases, we show a loading spinner so the user knows something is happening. At the very end, we add a simple footer that says, "This is the final episode using LangChain, Ollama, and Streamlit." Now let me show you how the app behaves in practice. I start with General Chat. I ask a question, click Run, and immediately get a clean answer. Then I switch to PDF Q&A. I upload a job description and ask, "What skills does this JD emphasize?" The app reads the PDF and gives me a grounded, document-based answer. Then I switch to Summary. Same PDF, one click, and I get a clear 4 to 5 line summary. Finally, I open Key Insights. I click Run and the model gives me the core points of the document, perfect for revision or quick understanding. Everything you're watching is happening offline, fully on the device. And that brings us to the end of episode 12 and the end of this season of LangChain by Projects. Today, we built an AI help desk that brings together everything we learned in previous episodes: prompt engineering, chains, PDF processing, local models, and clean user interfaces. If you've completed the entire series, congratulations. You now have the foundation to build real AI tools, automate workflows, and create production-ready applications with LangChain and local LLMs. If this episode helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for being part of this series.